Question 2. You are told that 30 pupils have 25 different birthdays between them. What is the largest number of these pupils who could share the same birthday? So this is a bit like a logic problem. And if you think about the fact that we've got 30 pupils and 25, there are only 25 that are different. Then if the most share one birthday, then you've got 30 subtract 24, because if you've got 20, how do I describe this? I've got it. If you've got 25 different birthdays and all of the students, you've got 24 that are just one person has that birthday on 24, but the fifth day you have as many as possible, as many as left over, then you've got 30 subtract 24 is the number of single person birthdays, which means you've got 6 left over, and therefore the answer is E. So 30 pupils, 25 different birthdays. So you've got to go like there's 25 little dots here. Don't count them, there aren't. But if you had 25 different and you've got up to here is 24 pupils. This is the 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th. So each of these children have a different birthday and only one child for each of those 25. But here you've got one birthday that happens to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students in it. And that's what this calculation is about. Made my head stretch when I worked out how to do that.